everybody, it's me, Alpha and your dinosaur, and today...
Don't say that! My name is Fart!
No, your name's not that. Your name is JoJo. Anyways, Jacob is mad because he doesn't get his... I'm not giving him his tablet password.
You are!
No, I can't.
Yes, you do!
But we're moving on. I think this is part 7 to Lego Friends Carnival Build.
Ellen is not asking me. My sister...
I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Jacob gets his way again. Anyways, let's get this video done. So then we're going to take these little leaf pieces. There's something in my eye. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I don't know what was in my eye, but I got it fixed. Anyways, so I'm going to take these little leaf-shaped things. We're going to have 2 of them. We're going to stack them. And then we're going to put them right there. Cause the cover is not the book, so open it up and take a look. And you'll realize that the king may be a crook. I'm gonna get copyrighted for Mary Poppins Return songs. I'm just kidding. Cause the cover is not the book. So open it up and take a look. I don't even know what this does. I'm just playing with it. Okay. So we're gonna move on. Oops, no we're not. Before, we're actually supposed to put a little green flower piece, and then put the little leaves on top. And then we're supposed to take one of these yellow cylinder cones, and cause the cover is not the book, so open it up and take a look. And you'll discover that there may be a crook. Put the brown, put that flower piece right there. I'm going to put this flower piece right here. So open it up and take a look. And you'll discover that the king might be a crook. Okay, so then we're going to take... Did I lose that piece too? I'm losing all my pieces, but we're going to take this little piece one by one with the hook on it. And then lost that piece too. Jacob was doing a lot of things that made me lose my pieces. I don't know. I can't find it, so we're just gonna I'll see if I can find something else. I can't find it, but we'll just go on without it. But we're gonna put it, oh no. So let me look at it my way. Cause I want it my way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a me. Let me look at this box here. I don't even know what to do, so this isn't even gonna work properly because let me use one of these. Be right back, guys. Okay, so I just took an extra green piece instead of having a gray piece, and I just put it right under this gray piece with a hook, and then I put the fish on it. And then I need 2 more of these yellow cylinders. I'm gonna put one right here and one on top of this yellow one, just like that. So this is what it's looking like so far. We're doing pretty good. Page 40. Okay, now we're going to try and make the shell. Need this piece. Okay, and then we're going to need a pink round piece right here. Just gonna... Oh, first we need this piece. Oh. So like that. And then put that in there. Take the round pink piece. And take this marble. A Lego marble, like who knew? Like what? I mean, it's not really a marble, but you know, it's supposed to be a pearl, but I just called it a marble because, you know, it's fine. Now I need one of these. And then we're gonna need this. Sorry guys, I'm kind of quiet. I'm just trying to figure this out. The cover is nice, but the cover is not the book. Then we're gonna put a black piece. I did this wrong. Yeah, guys. I just went ahead and did the little shell by myself. We're gonna wait till the end and use extra pieces to connect that because I lost my pieces. Now we're going to take one of these and one of these. Just gonna connect it like that. Then we're gonna take another orange piece. Do it like that. So we kind of have like, it almost looks like a Minecraft bed. Then we're going to take this white piece and cover that like that. Then we're going to put the orange, more orange pieces on the bottom. And I did something wrong. What did I use the orange? I did something with orange. Oops, never mind. It's right here. But I think, nope, we're good. And then I need to take a gray piece and put it right here. And then we're going to take these weird pieces. Put them on the outside where the balls are sticking out. Like the circular part is sticking out. And then I'm going to take this piece. Did I skip a page? No. And then we're going to take 3 smooth blue tiles. And I'll see you in the next video because it's been 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell. But you can't hit the bell, so you can't do that. But don't forget to like, subscribe if you want. If you liked it, like it. If you like my channel, subscribe. Anyways, it's totally free. And if I get a certain amount of subscribers, then I eventually will start getting money. But so far, I've been getting no money. No money. So, subscribe, please. I really would appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!